going? Welcome back to AJ Larkin Garage. Today in the Larkin Garage we are going to fit these kits here to the FGX. We've got a turbo side intake and a battery location kit, which we were talking about earlier in our last video, and an intercooler piping kit. This piping kit is good for the Plasma Stage 2 kit, so I can get a different intercooler later if I want. So yeah, we'll just open these up and see what we got in them. This all came from our friends down in New South Wales. I believe it's New South Wales, but it's Victoria, one or the other. They're down south of Queensland. Antz Performance. So they're a well-known kit. I made sure I went with someone that was well-known. Let's have a look. So we've got some stickers. Filter. We've also got storage pipe here, which will go to our airbox straight to the turbo. Some good quality stuff. We've also then got another pipe here, which will go into our box there. So all these cables, brackets and hosing, these are all for the battery. So this will change the battery location from being on this side of the motor, bring it over to this side, and it will move the intake from over here where it has to go over the hot engine into the turbo to move the intake to over here. Now this kit is a very good kit, and I've seen other people hook them up and they do look really good and they sound amazing. So this is the battery tray, I believe. It's got nice embossed letters there. That's really nice. This is really good quality stuff. And this kit comes with all the mounting hardware you need, all the cables, everything you could possibly want. This comes with. It even comes with a door stop to block off that blow-up valve that we did in the last video. Lost a bit of kit there. Alright, this is our airbox side stuff. So this will go on the side of it, where this here will fit roughly here, down in there nicely. And this bad boy will fit, there we go, up in there I believe. All molds perfectly around the fuse box, and the notches will miss out on all this stuff. So this is a really good bit of kit. So, alright, let's open up the second box. The biggest problem with the factory intercooler piping and all that sort of stuff is that as soon as you start turning the booster, all the crappy plastic pipes start to crack and split and fall apart. So what you can get from Antz Performance is these nice molded high quality silicone joiners and some nice mandrel bend pipes. So all this will fit nicely into the front of this car. Will hold a lot more boost from factory and will look a lot nicer too, because you're not going to have pipes and all the other stuff going everywhere. So you get all of your silicone joiners, you get all your nice pipes, all coated, whatever. Well, I chose black, but I'm sure you can get it in other colours. All of your hose clamps, and that's it. I'll just set up a time lapse to show us fitting it up. So we'll cut to that now. Alright guys, we've finally finished hooking up everything that needed to be done. So we've got that lovely turbo side intake from Antz Performance. Looks factory. I'm really happy with the way this fits into this car. And we've got all that intake been all done. Oh Jesus, probably over this light's not too good. Alright, we've also added this hose here that goes from the PCB across to the inlet. Eventually I'm going to put a catch can there, so that'll be a thing for another day. Battery's all hooked up, all nicely done. The kit, like I said, was fantastic. Had all the fixtures and hardware I needed. That's all been hooked up. Then over here at the front, it's all hooked up, all plumbed up nicely. So we'll go take it for a spin, eh? Alright guys, just a real quick one. We've just hooked up that turbo side intake, and I'll give it a rip so you can listen to what it sounds to. So that's from inside the car. I'll get another one from outside with a mate, and I've got my phone in the engine bay there next to that air filter, and that gives you a much better sound of inside the engine bay. I haven't got a GoPro yet, obviously, because I'm at amateur, but anyway, we'll get there. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share it around, and we'll catch you next time. See you later.